Get to your final sound mix in fewer clicks. It's now easier and faster than ever to work with audio thanks to a completely redesigned, intuitive new workflow that puts everything you need just a click away. Audio clips include new visual fade handles, so you can simply drag to create a variety of different fades. The power of AI automatically recognizes if your clips are music, dialogue, sound effects, or ambience, and adds a new interactive badge. Just click to get instant access to the most relevant tools for that audio type in the Essential Sound panel. Redesigned effects badges in the timeline make it easier to see which clips have effects, quickly add new effects, or automatically open the parameters for the effect you want to adjust with a single click. Waveforms intelligently resize with track height on clips with gorgeous new colors, so your sequences are easier to read. More intuitively access your favorite sound tools already built into Premiere Pro, like the revolutionary Remix tool, which uses AI to identify cut points and instantly retime music so it fits your video perfectly. Loudness matching evens out levels across your sequence in one click. Enhanced speech magically removes noise and improves poorly recorded dialogue so it sounds as if it were recorded in a professional studio.
Hi, I'm Keelan Matthews, and I'm a track coach.
Auto-ducking automatically adds keyframes to dip music underneath dialogue, so voices will always be clear in your mix. With Adobe stock libraries accessible inside of Premiere Pro, you can try out over 75,000 music tracks in your sequence before licensing. Or you can go deep with industry-standard Pro Audio tools for precise control over every aspect of your sound. Whether you're new to audio or an experienced pro, it's faster and easier than ever to find the perfect tool at the right moment. Go from import to mix in fewer clicks with this massive audio update. It's Premiere Pro, remixed. Try it today.